Most leaders know where they're heading. Think about it. You're sitting on an airplane, you meet a CEO or a business owner, and you say, "Hey, what are your plans for the company over the next few years? What would you like to do with it? Where do you see yourself, say, 5 years from now?" I've never met anyone that can't answer that question in one form or another. Sure, the plan might not be that clear, but they certainly know what they're trying to do overall at a high level, what direction they want to take. And then you ask them about execution. Executing strategy rarely meets expectations, and you ask them why, and the stories come alive with all sorts of problems, excuses, bad experiences, projects that never come to fruition, trying to keep everyone on the same track, the disconnect between management and employees. It's been that way for 30 years. And why? For 30 years, we've managed companies as this top down, here it is, this is what we want you to do. Do you understand it? We're looking for your input. Hey, but this is what we want you to do. And by the way, we constantly want you to give us data and reporting back so we can keep track that you're on our plan. That's how it's been for 30 years. It just doesn't work. Static documents, top down. Imagine stepping into an environment where strategy, performance, people, and work are all connected seamlessly in one place where everyone comes together, and every single meeting, task, project, side project, whatever it is, you can see whether it's pointing towards what you're trying to achieve as an organization. There's context, and it takes advantage of the last 5 years of innovation in the collaboration space. So we're not reinventing the wheel, we're just making this an org-wide experience, or for as many people as you want to involve in getting everyone aligned and pointing in the same direction. So that's stratapp. Stratapp brings together as one place a connected workplace, making sense, aligning everyone, and saving you time. And our vision for the company is so that information that's relevant from every other B2B ecosystem app is in one place, and therefore you can quickly get to the information you need to, collaborate in a way that makes sense, and not have to trawl through all of those different programs to get value out of them. That's our vision for stratapp. And if you think about it, to do that, we have to make it affordable org-wide. So the pricing has to be at a point that we just take price off the table so no employee misses out. That's what it's all about. No employee misses out. Everyone's on the same page. Everyone's collaborating. Everyone's aligned with what the organization is trying to achieve. And our vision, in 5 years from now, every progressive company will have SaaS in these 5 verticals. So we're already there almost with finance. Nearly everyone has a finance SaaS product. And then fast coming down the pipe are HCM products, or HR as we used to refer to it. So really progressive in America, just starting to get going in Asia and Europe. Applications to manage your workforce in the cloud. And of course, everyone's heard of CRM in the cloud, pioneered by Salesforce and the other 2 market leaders you can see there on the screen. And of course, social's coming fast, and it's even accelerated more with COVID-19. But still, when you think about social, it's very much an extension of Facebook. It hasn't evolved that much since 2008, except for a whole lot of integrations that have been added by those apps. And of course, integrations led by Slack. So our vision is you don't go to work to do finance. You don't go to work to do HR. Even if you're in those departments, that's not really what you're there to do. We go to work to collaborate and execute on the plan for the company. We're all there to deliver what the company's trying to do. And our vision is to lead, or first of all, reshape and then lead that category. So strategy and execution are all done in one environment. And of course, talk to these other verticals, but it's the go-to place for every employee in the company so that we're all working on the same thing, pulling in the same direction and helping each other. There it is, folks. stratapp, SaaS.com. Check it out. You're going to love it.